Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll be doing a sound comparison between Galaxy S20 and iPhone 11. Also, you can click over here to see all my S20 series of videos. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the bell icon to see all my future videos. Also, don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Both the smartphones have dual stereo speakers and Galaxy S20 does support Dolby Atmos. So let's see which one sounds better and has a better audio quality. But before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be playing different songs from no copyright sound to give you a better idea of the sound quality. Both the smartphones are on the maximum volume levels and Galaxy S20 has Dolby Atmos enabled. So let's play the first song in Galaxy S20. You can see the Dolby Atmos is enabled and the volume levels are maximum. Let's play the first song. Now let's play the same song in iPhone 11. You can see the volume level is on maximum. I definitely prefer the sound coming from the S20 speaker more than the iPhone 11. Don't get me wrong, iPhone 11 has a very nice bass, but Galaxy S20 is more punchy and definitely more louder than iPhone 11 for sure. Let's play another song. So let's play the second song. I must say the music coming out of this smartphone, the speaker quality is awesome. Now let's play the same song in iPhone 11. iPhone 11 also is playing this music really nice and really has a good bass and it's more clear actually, but at the same time I feel the Galaxy S20 is doing slightly better job in terms of the punch in the song and is slightly more louder. Now let's play the last song. Let's choose this one. So guys, this was a sound comparison between both these amazing smartphones. Now definitely the Galaxy S20 was more louder, and because of the Dolby Atmos it's more clearer also. But I feel in full volume some of the beats are going over the top. In comparison, iPhone 11 has everything in control and the beats were more clear. But if you ask me to choose one among these two in terms of the sound quality and the speaker quality, I would say I would go with Galaxy S20. I really find the sound more clear, more crisper. I think especially for instrumental music, this is an awesome device. You can hear every single instrumental beats. So my vote will go for Galaxy S20, but please let me know in the comments which one you like the most. I will really appreciate that. Also, there's a poll running over here. Which one sounds better? You can click over here to cast your vote. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up. I will really appreciate that. More videos coming soon for Galaxy S20 series of devices, so stay tuned for that. See you soon on my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.